check out this poop.
Actually, in science, we like to call it scat.
And this scat.
Scat can tell us a lot about an animal, like what it ate. What do you notice in this scat? Looks like grass.
That looks kind of like hair. So and this one looks like hair. So what do you think this animal ate?
Shape can also tell us about an animal. Do you see similarities between the two herbivore scats? What about the carnivore scat? What do you notice about this scat? What's the shape? Can you see anything inside it?
What do you think? Carnivore, herbivore, or omnivore?
Because it's pointy and I see hair, I think it might be a carnivore.
If you can't find any scat on the trail, you can experiment by making scat at home. All you need is half a cup of oatmeal, and you're gonna wanna mix it up with your fingers, break it up a bit, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa or hot chocolate powder. Mix that in. And then a little bit of water. I made some round scat. What do you think? Herbivore, carnivore? What about this one? Pointy on the ends. Now, you can't do this with scat on the trail, but with chocolate scat from home,